Good afternoon. Welcome to Stylish Fashion. Can I help you find anything today?
Good afternoon. Yes, thank you. I'm looking for a jacket, something warm but not too heavy.
Of course. We just got a new shipment of fall jackets. Are you looking for something casual or more formal?
I'm looking for something casual for everyday wear.
In that case, these jackets over here might be just what you're looking for. So, what size do you usually wear?
Well, I usually wear a medium size, but sometimes a large size depends on the fit.
No problem. I will bring you both sizes, so you can compare.
Thank you so much. Where can I try them on?
Sure. The fitting rooms are just to the left, behind the shoes section.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, how is everything going? Do they fit okay?
The medium is a bit tight around the shoulders, but the large feels a little too loose.
That's good to know. Some of these jackets run a bit small. Would you like to a different style?
Sure. Do you have anything similar with a looser fit?
Yes, of course. Let me grab this quilted jacket. It has a relaxed cut and it's very popular.
Oh, I like this one. Do you have it in any other colors?
Yes, for sure. It comes in navy, olive green and dark gray.
Great! I think I will try the olive green in large size.
Absolutely. Here we go.
Oh, this one fits much better. It is warm and comfortable.
Great. The jacket is water resistant too, which is nice for rainy days.
That's perfect. I'll take this one. How much is it?
It's $74.99, but it's 20% off today.
Oh, really?
Absolutely. It's our 5th anniversary celebration.
Oh, that's nice. I'll pay by card. Do you accept credit card?
Yes, sure. We accept all major cards. Would like to pay now or keep shopping?
I think I'll look at scarves before I check out.
Of course. The scarves are near the entrance. Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, how is everything? Which one do you prefer?
I love this one. The texture is really good, but do you have it in any other colors?
Sure. We have few other colors that just arrived yesterday. I will grab for you. Here it is. It comes in dark green, light blue and dark brown.
That's perfect. I'll take one dark brown and one light blue. How much is it?
It's $45.18 for both scarves. Would like to pay now or keep shopping? Well, I'll pay now for scarves and the jacket. It's $96.13 in total. This price already discounted for you.
Okay, perfect. Here is my card.
Here is your jacket and scarves. Hope to see you again next time. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You're too.